What's up, guys? So it's a rainy day and I went to my university to register for my classes, at least get help for it. And it's really rainy and I love it. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. I love the weather right now. That's how we have our winter. Winter. We have rain and winter. Oh, I can't even talk. So now I'm headed home. And I'm stuck in traffic because the traffic is terrible in this country. You want to see? I don't know if you can see exactly, but yeah. It's terrible traffic. And oh, we get to move. Woo! The signal's on. And I should stop vlogging probably. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Take care. Love ya. Bye. On the radio? Woo! It's my jam. Love me. Give me love. Give me love. Mama, I 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 give me love. It's Sheeran.
33 minutes past the hour. That was Sheeran with "Give Me Love," a song that did really well on the charts. The Monster, Eminem featuring Rihanna.
Yo. No, I hate this song. All right, guys, bye. I just got a haircut. We just ended the date together. We got red velvet. Yay!
And this slow ass mocha.
Yeah. Oh, what was it called? It was called the
mocha.
turtle mocha. It's so good though. I think it has like,
caramel.
yeah, probably because it's really sweet.
Brush that tongue.
Brush that tongue, nigga. Are you leaving?
Yeah.
Don't go. But I have to go home too. Although my next exam's on the 13th and I'm free until then.
My exams will be in 4 weeks from now. 4 or 5.
Finals?
For the semester, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
My finals are happening right
Not
now.
necessarily finals, but yeah.
So when your exams are done, do you get like a week or something off?
2 weeks off.
And that is when?
And that is
February?
February something, yeah.
Mine end at February 16th, so if it's before that.
February 16 starts at... The second semester starts at February 16 in high school.
Oh, so you're gonna have your vacations before that?
Yeah.
Fuck, so we are gonna have our vacations together. Oh yeah! And more vlogs coming out. And more fucked up songs.
Yes.
We're gonna fuck your lives up.
Yes. And
Get
your
ready for
ears.
that. Yeah, so you better subscribe for that shit. Girl,
Girl code.
hit that yellow button up there. Right up there.
Yeah. Subscribe, nigga.
So get it for this. Alright guys, bye. See you later. Love ya.